Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. To learn data science with Python, there are many practical books available that cover essential concepts and techniques. Here are 3 highly recommended practical books for learning data science with Python. 1. Python Data Science Handbook by vanderplas. This book provides a comprehensive introduction to data science using Python. It covers essential libraries like numpy, pandas, matplotlib, and scikit-learn, along with practical examples and case studies. 2. Data Science from Scratch by grus. This book is a practical guide for beginners to learn data science concepts from scratch using Python. It covers topics like data cleaning, visualization, machine learning, and more, with hands-on exercises and examples. 3. Hands-on Machine Learning with Scikit-learn, Keras, and TensorFlow by Aurélien Géron. This book focuses on practical machine learning techniques using Python libraries like scikit-learn, keras, and TensorFlow. It covers both theoretical concepts and hands-on projects to help you build and deploy machine learning models. Now, let's provide a simple code example using Python to demonstrate a basic data analysis task using pandas from the Python Data Science Handbook by vanderplas. In this code example, we first create a sample dataset using a dictionary and then convert it into a pandas data frame. We display the dataset and perform basic data analysis by calculating the average salary and maximum age from the dataset. These practical books and code examples will help you get started with data science using Python and gain a solid understanding of essential concepts and techniques.